So first we're going to twist the resistor around the base of the LED on the positive terminal. We twist it around so that we can make sure that the resistance is connected fully to the LED and it always gets current and electric flow. Then we're gonna turn the soldering iron on and wipe it down on the sponge. And then you have to wait for a little while it heats up.
What do we need it for?
Enough to melt the solder.
Caution, be careful not to touch the...
Oh yeah. Don't touch the iron. Then hold the solder up to the light bulb where you want to solder the resistor on, and just touch the iron to the solder so that it melts on to the resistor so that it connects the two together.
Then we definitely don't know.
After that, you can turn it over so that you can get it on the other side.
If you're testing something, what are you testing? Tell you what, lift it all up, and then before you turn it on, give me a shout. Okay?
Okay. I'm just making sure you got it. Because we need 2 resistors for every bulb. It's got to have one and one after.
So what are you doing? Are you all going to have go with that?
In the final product, the resistor will be soldered onto the LED so that they can't come apart, to make sure that the flow is constantly going through. After you're done, turn off the iron and clean off the tips so that you can get any of the metal off. Use a damp sponge to clean the tip.